Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to take a look at some chic modern hairstyle ideas. So the first one does start off with an undercut. So the client obviously had super long hair with this transformation. I'd say probably about waist length or so. And the stylist is doing a gorgeous kind of undercut pixie with this one. She does have longer bangs in the front, creating nice face framing layers with this haircut. So the stylist did do kind of a natural hair texture with that cut. Absolutely love the final results of that pixie. And then we move into another pixie haircut transformation. This one does have line detailing in the back, very tapered pointed nape as well. Beautiful. She also had longer bangs on the front portion of the hair. And then we move into a hair color transformation on this gorgeous bob. Ooh, so she ended up getting a beautiful classic chin length, jaw length bob and a gorgeous rose gold hair color. Love the bangs with that one as well. So we move into the next haircut transformation. So it looks like she's going to be getting a bob with this one. The client already has pretty thick hair. Love the slight hint of color she has at the ends, kind of like a lavender hue. Grayish tones, kind of hard to tell because of the lighting, but this is absolutely gorgeous. So then we move into the next one. So she starts off with about neck length, grown out blonde colored hair in the form of a bob. Her hair is also on the thinner side, so it's going to be interesting to see how the stylist plays around with that. Oh, so the stylist cut the hair into more of a jaw length bob, and that instantly gave her some more volume. He also cut her hair even further. It looks like he went with more of a pixie cut and created more volume at the top portion of the hair with the bangs. Her hair looks so much fuller and healthier with this new haircut variation. She also does have the two-tone color going on, blonde at the top and then black in the nape area. This also creates some depth and it helps the hair to appear more voluminous. And then we see a gorgeous pixie undercut. And we see another variation with that, and this one does feature purple at the top of the hair. Very pretty. Love this color. It's like a beautiful lavender shade. And then we move into this Pixie haircut transformation. Beautiful. This particular stylist always knows how to frame his client's face beautifully. Love the angle that was created with this. Gorgeous haircuts. Alright you guys, so if you haven't done so already, please be sure to like this video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more popular and trendy hairstyle ideas. So we move into the last hair transformation. And that will be featured in another video. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys next time.